Very quickly, I'm going to show you, you have the file in the description, how you can create this kind of KPI cards. This type of KPIs are from the sales versus plan. They're not all the same. The only difference is the color used in each one. The original reference is Anastasiya Kuznetsova, Anatomy of the KPI Card, a terrific article about how you can create, or at least this kind of features or differences between a KPI with seasonal data, a KPI versus plan, which is the one I'm trying to replicate, the KPI versus average, and so on. It's a terrific article. I really recommend it to read it. So how you can create this kind of KPIs, okay? The KPIs. If you see here in focus, you're gonna see this KPI. I'm going to select it all, Control A, right click, group, ungroup. You will see that here we have clustered column chart. Here we have a stacked bar chart. Here we have a card. On the top of the card we have the old card. And here we have a text. That's it. The only thing I need to do is Control A, click, group all, format, size and style, background. That's it. But let me show you something different, okay? The only measure or quantitative calculation are these: total sales, the plan, the percentage or the difference in percentage between the sales versus the plan. Plan with color is another column, max range, to create some kind of equivalence, or maybe put it really in the center this kind of graph. And the upper text that it shows you the result of the column date month from the calendar table. That's it. The model is really simple. You can download this file in the description. And the only thing you need to pay really attention is this. In the columns, for example, total sales is green, plan with no color because you have a plan overlapping in front of the total sales here with a little border, okay? Here the border is active with the border with a gray color. You have also plain plan with color. In this case, the color is a pink color, and that's all. Very simple, and I mean, it's very beautiful, at least for the kind of the point of view from the beauty, or a different perspective from the, I mean, the naturally or the default settings. I mean, the most interesting part of creating this kind of card, I'm practicing also my English, is if you pay great attention in the format pane, in every visual here in the format, you can create amazing visuals. And if the core visuals team doesn't have the really natural or just for click and drag and drop, you could create this kind of graph overlapping each other, or maybe paying attention how you can put any different kind of graph one on top of each other. So it's really cool. I mean, I really create this this day in a few hours, practicing and saying, this could be done in Power BI, not also in the same way that, for example, Tableau software, which is very different, but it's not 100% similar. But at least for me, is okay. So I'm really pleased to share this with you. Link in the comments.